Attention drivers, Gate 3 is now open for deliveries. Please have your documents ready. Welcome to Sohan Halwa factory.
All right, back it up slowly. Watch the edge.
We need the flour sacks moved to station 3 now.
Driver, stop right there.
These pallets of premium ingredients are now entering our state-of-the-art automated storage facility, ready for Sohan Halwa production.
Make sure the ghee is perfectly golden before we add the sugar. We need large quantities for this batch.
That's exactly 200 kilograms. Take it to vat number 3.
On my way, watch out for the steam.
The purest water and the freshest milk combine in our state-of-the-art facility, the first step to creating our signature Sohan Halwa.
The first stage of the halwa begins. These massive kettles slowly transform the golden mixture into a delicacy fit for kings.
Only the finest desi ghee is used to create the luxurious texture of our Sohan Halwa.
A spectacular blend of tradition and automation, where massive industrial kettles work in perfect synchronization to create the perfect Sohan Halwa.
We use only the finest pistachios, almonds, and walnuts, folded slowly into our signature caramel halwa.
The viscosity reading is slightly low here.
Adjusting the heat now. We need to maintain the amber color consistency.
The massive kettles release the perfectly caramelized halwa, ready for the cooling channels.
Our powerful ventilation systems ensure consistent cooling as the trays move steadily through the tunnel.
As the camera glides gracefully above, the glossy surface slowly becomes firm, revealing the intricate texture of this traditional sweet.
The caramelization is consistent and the pistachios are evenly distributed.
Agreed. The texture is exactly what we are looking for.
Freshly cut, massive pieces of our signature Sohan Halwa, packed with premium almonds and pistachios, moving smoothly on our state-of-the-art conveyors.
This batch looks excellent. Make sure to log the temperature readings immediately.
Attention all personnel. Line 3 is now operating at full speed. Ensure quality standards are maintained. Our automated systems ensure every piece of Sohan Halwa is handled with the utmost care.
Our crystal-clear protective film ensures every tray is sealed with airtight precision, preserving the authentic taste.
These massive Sohan Halwa packages are freshly sealed and moving rapidly towards the automated labeling system, ensuring peak freshness. Automated sequence engaged. Precision alignment confirmed on Unit 74. Next package initializing. Package integrity verified. Seal quality check passed. The system ensures only perfect Sohan Halwa reaches the consumer, rejecting any flawed product with speed and precision.
Perfectly packaged, our massive Sohan Halwa moves toward its premium home.
Attention! Line 2 processing Sohan Halwa. All weights approved. Maintain speed.
Pallet 74, Destination Dubai. Status complete. The Sohan Halwa is carefully transported to the loading zone, ready for global distribution.
Did you verify the count on pallet 3? Yes, the Sohan Halwa count matches the manifest. We are clear for dispatch.
Watch your side, watch your side! Okay, hold it right there. Bring the next pallet up.
Confirming load secure. Move to Bay 3. Roger that. Approaching Bay 3 now.
All tight on this side.
Perfect. Double check the back straps. We're good to go.
This batch meets the weight requirement and the packaging standards. We are clear for dispatch. The journey of our finest Sohan Halwa begins, carrying a tradition of taste across the land. From our kitchens to your table, the freshest Sohan Halwa is now arriving at distributors nationwide.